In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you could install the iOS 14 beta or any beta that follows after that. First thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and open Safari, and then you need to go to this link that you see here, which is beta.apple.com/profile. Once you go there, it's going to ask you to sign in with your current Apple ID, so I'm going to go ahead and do so. Okay, from here what you want to do is go ahead and click where it says download profile, and this is basically going to create a configuration profile for us to install. So go ahead and click allow here. Alright, so once you get that message, you need to go ahead and minimize Safari, go over to your settings, and then under settings you're gonna see this option here on the top that says profile downloaded. You go ahead and click that, and then it's gonna ask you to install it here on the top. Make sure that this is the one that you chose for your device. Then click install, enter your phone passcode, and then if you want to read the disclosure here, you can go ahead and do so. If not, go ahead and click install, and then click install. Alright, from here you could go ahead and click done, and then go to back to general. Under general, you click on software update, and since you already have that profile, it's going to go ahead and ask you to install the iOS 14 beta update. And again, you could do this with any new release for iOS, be iOS 15, 16, 17, whatever follows after this one. And then I will definitely leave automatic updates on, so that way if there is a new public beta update, it will install it for you automatically. And then just wait for this to finish, and then also I think you have to have your phone at 50% or higher, or you have to have it plugged in to a device, to a USB charging device. Alright, so that's how you install the iOS public beta releases. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.